What's up YouTube? It's your boy Prod Reps back at it with another video. Today, we're diving into a haul from ZVBEST. I've got 2 jerseys on deck, and I'm really excited to show you guys what they're about. If you're looking for that fire in sportswear, you're in the right place, so let's get into it. Before we continue, huge shout out to ZVBEST for hooking me up with some jerseys. All their information will be on screen now, and in the description below, so go check them out. Alright, let's see what ZVBEST sent us. They've got a nice selection, but I picked 2 jerseys that I know will be serious statement pieces. First up, let's check out the USA basketball jersey. This is the 2024 Olympic Game USA Edwards number 5 jersey, and look at that dark blue. It's clean and bold. They've got all the USA colors popping here. White and red details on the collar and armholes really stand out against that deep blue background. You can tell it's meant for the big stage. And right there is the USA across the chest in thick bold white letters with Edwards' name and the iconic number 5 on the back. The stitching is clean, no loose threads or flaws that I can see, which is exactly what we want when we're talking about quality replicas. The material feels nice and breathable. You could actually play a game in this if you wanted. It's lightweight but feels sturdy, exactly what you'd expect for a performance jersey. And can we just talk about the quality for the price? You don't always get stitching and fit like this. Alright, now that we've seen the Edwards jersey, let's move on to the next one. The 2024-25 Brazil Black Special Edition Fans Soccer Jersey. This one's got some serious style. Check this out, guys. The Brazil 2024-25 Black Special Edition Fans Jersey. It's sleek, it's stylish, and honestly, this might be one of the coolest designs I've seen for a Brazil jersey. They usually rock the classic yellow and green, but this all black special edition really stands out. We've got the Brazil badge in the middle with a subtle gold outline that's just enough to catch the light without being too loud. The material is also pretty similar to the basketball jersey, breathable, smooth, and comfortable for game day or just casual wear. And you know, they didn't forget the details. The sleeves and collar have these gold and green accents, which really add a unique touch. It's those small things that set it apart and make it feel like more than just another soccer jersey. So there you have it. 2 awesome jerseys from ZVBEST. The USA Olympic Edwards number 5 is a classic with its bold, clean lines, and the Brazil Black Special Edition brings that sleek, fresh style to the soccer field. If you're interested in picking up quality jerseys like these, definitely check out bestzv1.com. They got a solid selection, and you're getting quality for a fraction of the price. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I've got more reviews coming your way, so make sure you're tuned in. Until next time, it's Prod Reps signing out.